start, I'll show you something.
Okay.
Tell us lang a little bit about the photo.
Ito yung graduation photo. Kasama ko si Mami. Kasi ako sa family namin ang unang graduate ng college. So, hindi kasi yung, isa pa lang. Yung mom ko kasi yung nag-support na sa amin. Siya na talaga yung nag-work. And siya rin yung inspiration ko actually. Kaya rin gusto ko makatapos.
Ito yung application ko ng real life. Buti na lang naka-mastod kasi sobrang kinakabahan ako. Tsaka sobrang yung boses ko dito nanginginig. This time, sobrang need na need talaga namin ng financial support sa education. 7 kami magkakapatid, so I am the second to the youngest. Nung nag-grade 11 na ako, dun lang nag-stop si Papa mamasada ng jeep kasi nga yung katawan niya hindi na rin kayang bumiyahe araw-araw. Wala na kaming source of money, wala nang income. So nagpatong-patong yung problem during that time. So, my father would tell us na stop school na, ganyan. Kasi wala kang baon.
Nung magka-college na ako, alam ko sa sarili ko, wala kami pabayad ng tuition kasi ang mahal ng tuition fee. Ako, since gusto ko mag-aral, sumama pa rin ako doon sa mga kaibigan ko mag-enroll, pero wala akong assurance na may pambayad ako. So at that time, sa youth service, Doc Joey suddenly approached me. Sabi ni Doc Joey, okay lang ba sa'yo na we will support you? Real life, binayaran yung tuition ko, naka-enroll ako, nakabila ako ng uniforms. After ng graduation sa RTU, nasabi ko, pahinga ka na, ako naman. Yun yung pinramis ko sa kanya.
But God is good for He provided everything that we need. Mind-blowing yung pag-graduate ko kasi I graduated as class valedictorian and magna cum laude. Yung real life talaga nakatulong sa akin, not just financially but spiritually and mentally. Alam kong hindi ako nag-iisa kasi kailangan natin ng community to hold on sa life.
My role sa Real Life National Office is a scholarship officer.
Here in Real Life, I am an events coordinator and executive assistant.
Major motivation ko bakit I decided to mag-work dito sa Real Life. Gusto ko maging blessing. Kasi bilang scholar dati, alam ko yung challenges, alam ko yung hirap ng maging estudyante. Nakikita ko sa sarili ko na I start helping students. Kada isang estudyante na nare-reach out natin, we have the opportunity to impart hope to them and makatapos sila.
Nakita ko how valuable yung ginagawa ng real life. Grabe lang yung heart when we witness the real life stories of our scholars. Yun yung perspective na na-switch sa akin. Lord, ang dami palang dapat tulungan. Made me appreciate more kung ano pa yung ginagawa namin dito sa Real Life Foundation.
The reason I'm staying in Real Life for almost 7 to 8 years, building their dreams, coaching them, and empowering them. Tapos pag naging alumni na sila, charging them to be good citizens, may be a blessing to your families and other people.
I hope and pray when we reach out to scholars, to students, we reach out to the family also. And that's the biggest impact na Real Life can do, not just to help them financially, but help them walk with God.